Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. So I'm going to simply click on here now to open my Google Photo. Having opened up your Google Photo, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and select a particular images that you want to flip or rotate to make a simple adjustment. Like for instance, this image right here, I'm going to use this image. Now, having selected the image, next thing I'm going to do is to click on edit. So the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on this icon right here to flip. Then you have it this way. If you're satisfied with this, then you are good to go. However, if you are not satisfied, continue to tap until you are able to achieve the right direction of your image. So once you're satisfied with the position of the image, you can also increase the size of the image. And for you to do that, simply click on here. Then click on freeform. Then here you can easily drag as much as possible. So once you're satisfied with the adjustment, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this check mark right here. Then come to the top right here, click on save as copy. Then it will completely save back to your Google Photo. Let's go back to my Google Photo right here. Here we go. Now you have before right here and you have after. Before and after is that simple. For more tutorial about how to use Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.